Well, through success, redefining what it means to win. Wow. Well, welcome back to What Will Orina Say. I am Orina Ontiri, your daily hot takes, real talk. So today, let's redefine success because, most of what you've been told about success, sijui, is rooted in fear. What do you mean, Mutangazaji? Here is the truth. Most of the time, success has been defined by fear. Fear that you'll be left behind. Fear that you want to measure up. Fear that you must achieve something or maybe become someone you are not. But you know what? True success is the opposite. It is not the chase. It is the release. It is letting go. Being satisfied that and accepting that you already have what you already have is enough. The world has conditioned us to think that success means more. It means more money, more titles to myself, more possessions, more applause. But you know what? That's not success. It's an illusion. That's an illusion that keeps us restless, inconsistent, and always empty. Well, real success, it is contentment. The ability to look at your life and say, however simple it seems, and say that this is enough. I am okay with where I am. That is contentment. Contentment doesn't mean complacency. No, it means peace. It means being grounded because, when you are at peace with what you have, I can say that you are free to dream without fear. You are free to work without comparison and even live without the pressure of this life. So true success isn't about being everything to everyone. No, it is about being authentic to yourself. And when you arrive at that place, then life feels lighter and purpose feels real. I want to give a shout out to our last episode on comfort zones. Sister Jane wrote and she said this: comfort never happens in growth never happens in comfort. I needed that reminder to stop settling. That's powerful. And Peter added that I've been delaying my dreams because I was afraid to step out. After that last episode you did, I made the call I'd been avoiding for months. This is why I do this, friends, and your reflections, by the way, they give life to these messages. So my final word today is this: don't let fear define success for you. Real success is found in contentment. It is found in peace and authenticity. This is what will Orina say, your daily hot takes, real talk. Like, share, and tag someone who needs this shift in perspective today. Peace, and this is what will Orina say.